All right, let's check this out. We are on the second floor already. I'm excited to see what's going on. So check out what the second floor has installed for us. Now this house has a rooftop deck and it's supposed to have some kind of a view towards the downtown Vancouver. I'm excited to see what you can check out from the master bedroom. Let's go have a look. This is the future location of the master bedroom. Look at that view. Full view of Burnaby. We still have another 8 feet more to go before the rooftop deck. If you look next door, we should be able to see right over that peak once we're there. So I'm super excited because there doesn't seem to be much blocking us from catching a glimpse of all the mountains once we get to the rooftop deck. All right, just some framing basics. TGIs are cut to size, hangers are put in place. On both ends of the TGIs, there's one hanger ready for the pocketing. You drop the TGI into the hanger, as so, toenail the tops of it, then you're ready for plywood. So once you have all the TGIs ready to go and you put your adhesive down on the areas where you're working, get your first piece of plywood down, square it up, fasten it down with nails. Now the second piece comes along, that's where it starts joining together this huge diaphragm that works on top of the TGIs. Now note that the plywood comes in the T and G form, meaning one end has got the tongue, one end's got the groove. You push them together to form one big continuous diaphragm. Now how's that done on site? So you'd line them up with the tongue facing outwards and then the groove ready to go in. You bring it as close as possible, okay? Get it semi-fitted. And on the other side, someone would be standing on top with the 2x4 and the sledgehammer and just slowly bump it in. You see how it works it in? Be careful not to hit the flange too hard, but this works it in very nicely. Once it's all connected, you just throw your nailing pattern along the lengths of the TGIs, move on to the next one. So this process repeats itself until the entire second floor is fully plywooded. When you're ready to put the walls up, you build the walls laying down again, stand them up from the sides and the front, brace them all together. The interior walls go on, and you repeat the entire TGI process for the rooftop level. So let's give these guys another day to get this part finished, and we'll check again when the walls start to be built.